New C-Class, you replace the air spring. First drive the vehicle onto the lift. Once you've lifted the vehicle a little, take off the rear complete wheel. Now with Xentry, you need to deflate the air spring. Connect Star Diagnosis to the vehicle and select the vehicle model. Read and confirm the safety information. Select the tab Control Unit View. Then click on Suspension. In the AIRMATIC menu, select the Controls tab. Then, release pressure in the spring struts. We select the left rear strut. Confirm that the vehicle is on the lift and that it's not loaded. The air in the spring will now automatically be released. You can see how the vehicle level lowers. You can see the process on the vehicle itself or on the display. Wait until the air has been completely released. Once this is done, turn off the ignition and remove the key. Move the vehicle all the way up so you can comfortably work underneath it. Now you can remove the cover of the spring control arm. To do this, you'll need to unclip the retaining lugs. Now you need the socket wrench insert. With this, you can remove the compressed air line to the air spring. Close the compressed air line with 2 appropriate plugs. Next is the shock absorber at the spring control arm. To remove it, undo this screw. Pull the air spring at the upper plastic frame gently downwards until it disengages from the retaining clip. The retaining clip always breaks upon removal, so you must replace it. After you have removed the air spring, also remove the retaining clip. Now the air spring has been successfully removed, installation is in the reverse order.